Lion L99 Premium High Temperature Silicone Gasket Maker is a low-odor, neutral cure formula that is oxygen sensor safe and resists temperatures up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. First, clean and dry all surfaces completely, removing all dirt and grease. Next, remove the tube and nozzle from the package. Using the cap, puncture a hole in the top of the tube. After screwing back the nozzle, cut the nozzle to the desired bead size. Finally, apply silicone in a continuous bead. Although the silicone will cure in 1 hour, allow 24 hours for full cure and strength. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back of the card. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.